Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be doing a cute chapter, that is teddy bear. I hope you at your places you also have soft toys, and each one of you loves soft toys, and especially girls. So let's just begin with this cutest chapter, that is teddy bear. So begin. Let's begin. So the title of our chapter is teddy bear, right? So you must have a toy that you love. सबके पास एक टॉय होता है जिसको हम प्यार करते हैं. And here is a story about a toy and we will be reading this story. यहाँ पे एक स्टोरी है टॉय के बारे में और हम इस स्टोरी को पढ़ेंगे. And it's a very cute story. So there was a little boy whose name was Johnny. एक छोटा सा बच्चा है जिसका नाम क्या है? Johnny. And it was his 6th birthday that day. And उस दिन उसका क्या है? 6th birthday, means he was like 6 year old, right? Now his parents gave him a soft brown teddy bear. उसके मम्मी पापा ने उसको एक ब्राउन कलर का सॉफ्ट सा टेडी बियर दिया है. Now little Johnny carried his teddy bear with him everywhere he went. और जहाँ भी जाता था he used to carry his teddy bear along with him. See, there is a word, it's carried. Carry करना means एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाना, right? Now at night the teddy bear always got to sleep next to Johnny. और जॉनी के पास ही ये टेडी बियर हर रोज सोया करता था. नाउ जॉनी ग्रू अप एंड गॉट हिज ओन बेडरूम एंड अ बिग बेड टू स्लीप इन. अब जॉनी बड़ा हो गया, जॉनी का खुद का एक बेडरूम हो गया. सिमिलरली वी यूज टू हैव अ सेपरेट बेडरूम्स और एक बड़ा सा बेड सोने के लिए, राइट? नाउ द टेडी बियर गॉट टू स्लीप नेक्स्ट टू हिम इन द बेड एवरी नाइट. अब टेडी बियर हर रोज जॉनी के पास ही सोया करता था, राइट? Now it had become his favorite toy. और अब वो उसका एक बहुत ही ज्यादा मनपसंद टॉय बन चुका था. Now Johnny always had his teddy bear with him. हर टाइम Johnny used to keep his teddy bear along with him. हमेशा अपने पास रखता था. Now the teddy bear went with the boy to the zoo. अब टेडी बियर जू पे भी गया जॉनी के साथ. ऑल द पार्क्स इन दी एरिया एंड इवन टू द स्कूल. और स्कूल में भी जाने लगा, पार्क में भी जाने लगा, हर जगह जॉनी टेडी बियर को ले लेके घूमने लगा. नाउ जॉनी बिकेम अ टीनेजर एंड गॉट मोर एंड मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन वीडियो गेम्स. अब जॉनी जैसे जैसे बड़ा होने लगा टीनेज बनने लगेगा. सी, इन बॉयज द टीनेज एज इट बेसिकली बिगिंस फ्रॉम 13 to 19, राइट? वेयर एज इन गर्ल्स इट बिगिन फ्रॉम 12 to 18. So similarly for Johnny, when he became a teenage, he got more and more excited in video games. Video games में उसका ज़्यादा शौक बढ़ने लगा. And going out with his friends, और अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाना उसको बहुत पसंद आने लगा. Now he stopped taking his teddy bear with him. अब वो कहीं पे भी जाता था he used to stop, like he didn't take his teddy bear anymore with him, right? Now which made दी टेडी बियर अ लिटिल सैड. अब जिसने टेडी बियर को बहुत ही ज्यादा उदास बना दिया था. स्टिल ही वुड पुट हिज टेडी बियर नेक्स्ट टू हिम इन बेड एवरी नाइट. बट रात को जब भी सोया करता था ही यूज्ड टू कीप हिज टेडी बियर नेक्स्ट टू हिम. जॉनी कंप्लीटेड हिज स्कूलिंग एंड गो टू द यूनिवर्सिटी इन अ बिग सिटी. अब जॉनी ने अपनी स्कूलिंग को खत्म कर लिया. ही कंप्लीटेड हिज 12th. नाउ ही जस्ट मूव ऑन टू द यूनिवर्सिटी एट अ बिग प्लेस, बिग सिटी. Now he was now a young man. और अब वो एक जवान आदमी बन चुका था. Now he would come back home a couple of times every year for just a few days. साल में कुछ दिनों के लिए ही वो अपने घर में आता था. जब भी हम कुछ डेज को काउंट करेंगे तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? couple of times, right? Now mom took all of the Johnny toys and put them in a box in the attic. Attic means एक place जहाँ पे उस डब्बों में आपने अपने टॉयज को, अपने अपने पुराने सामान को ला के रख दिया है. बट दी टेडी बियर वॉज ऑलवेज स्पेशल. टेडी बियर हमेशा बहुत ही स्पेशल प्लेस होल्ड करता था. सो द मॉम डिसाइडेड टू पुट इन ऑन दी एम्प्टी शेल्व्स. मॉम शी डिसाइडेड टू पुट दिस जॉनी का टेडी बियर इन वन ऑफ द एम्प्टी शेल्व्स. की कोई भी शेल्फ जो है वो खाली हो जाए तो हम उसमें रखेंगे. देखो शेल्फ को एफ को हटा के VES किया हुआ है. Now when Johnny came back home to visit, he could see his favorite teddy bear. अब जॉनी जैसे अपने घर आएगा वापस तो he will see his favorite, जो कि उसको बहुत पसंद है, उसका teddy bear. His visit was too short and he spent most of the time visiting his old friends, neighbors and family. अब उसका जो विजिट था इट वॉज टू शॉर्ट, लाइक इट वॉज फॉर 2-3 days माइट बी. तो उसने अपना सारा टाइम अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने नेबर्स के साथ और अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम में बिता दिया वो सारा शॉर्ट टाइम. He would go to the bed late at night and often forget to put the teddy in the बेड एनीमोर। अब उसका इंटरेस्ट वीडियो गेम्स में और इन सब चीजों में लग गया। सो अब वो बेड पे बहुत ही ज्यादा लेट आने लगा सोने के लिए, तो वो ही जस्ट फॉरगॉट, वो भूल गया टेडी बियर को भी बेड पे रखना। नाउ द टेडी बियर वॉज सो सैड एंड मिस द नाइस ओल्ड डेज। अब टेडी बियर इतना ज्यादा उदास था कि ही मिस द ओल्ड डेज, पुराने दिन, व्हेन ही गॉट टू स्लीप एवरी नाइट नेक्स्ट टू जॉनी इन हिज बेड। जब उसको वो दिन आने लगे कि जब वो जॉनी के साथ उसके बेड पे सोया करता था। नाउ इन ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम जॉनी गॉट मैरिड टू अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल। अब उसी के टाइम के दौरान जॉनी शी जस्ट married to a very elegant girl, very beautiful girl, and after some years they had a little baby boy of his own। अब उनका खुद का एक बेबी बॉय हो गया। अब यहाँ पे there is Johnny and his wife। Now they love their baby a lot and often brought him over to the grandparents house। अब वो अपने बेबी को बहुत प्यार करते थे और उसको अधिकतर अपने दादा दादी के घर लेकर जाया करते थे। Now the baby boy was just as cute as his father had been while he was a baby। Now the baby boy, he was very cute and he was just similar, he just has a resemblance to his father who was also cute during his childhood। Now one day Johnny remembered his favorite teddy bear। अब एक दिन जॉनी को अपने फेवरेट टेडी बियर का याद आया and thought that this own little baby boy would love to have it। अब उसको क्या होने लगा कि अब जो मेरा छोटा सा बेबी है, he would also love to have that teddy bear which I used to hold when I was in my childhood। He ran to the old room and went straight to the shelf। और वो पुराने कमरे में गया और वापस उसी शेल्फ पे गया and grab his old friend that is the teddy bear। और उसने अपने पुराने टेडी बियर को अपने गले लगा लिया। And the bear was thrilled and his old friend had come to visit him but could not imagine the nice surprise that awaited him। अब बियर जो है, टेडी बियर, वो बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश हुआ कि उसके दोस्त ने, उसके पुराने दोस्त ने, जॉनी ने उसको गले लगा लिया है। एंड ही कुड नॉट इमेजिन कि इतना अच्छा सरप्राइज के लिए मैं वेट कर रहा था और मेरे दोस्त ने मेरे को दिया है। Now Johnny gave his old teddy to the baby boy to play him। और उसने अपने बेबी बॉय को वो प्यारा सा टेडी बियर उसके हाथ में दे दिया ताकि वो उससे खेले। Now the baby was so happy that he would not leave it alone for the rest of the day, and he was so happy and he was so familiar to his father, he was so similar to his father that he didn't used to leave that teddy bear all alone। Now at the end of the day Johnny and his family said goodbye to the parents and went to their home। और एक दिन के बाद मतलब जब वो उन्होंने रह लिया उस ट्रिप पे, उसके बाद जॉनी और उसकी फैमिली ने गुड बाय कर दिया अपने पेरेंट्स को और वो अपने घर चले गए। नाउ दिस टाइम द टेडी बियर केम विद हिम। और अब वो उनके साथ आए। नाउ दिस टाइम द टेडी बियर ही जस्ट केम विद बोथ ऑफ देम, राइट। Now that night, every night after that, the teddy bear got to sleep next to the baby boy। Now from that onwards, from that time, this baby boy was sleeping next to that beautiful teddy bear which his father used to carry him when he was a child। Just like his father, the baby boy would take the teddy bear everywhere he went। I have already told you that he was just familiar, just similar to his father। He also used to carry that baby bear, that teddy bear with that मतलब this teddy bear used to stay with this baby boy with him all the time, and he used to spend all his time with that teddy bear। Now the teddy bear was very happy। Now he was very joyous, very happy। Now he had a new family that loved him। अब उसको एक नई फैमिली मिल गई जो कि उसको बहुत प्यार करती है। His old friend and his new family loved him as much as possible they could। जितना उसको प्यार कर सकते हैं, उसका पुराना दोस्त और उसकी नई फैमिली उसको बहुत प्यार करते थे। किसको प्यार करते थे? टेडी बियर को। Moving on to the word basket, the first word is teddy bear, means a soft toy in the shape of beer cup। एक बियर के कप में की शेप में एक प्यारा सा सॉफ्ट सा टेडी। Teenager is a teenage or teen is a young person whose age falls within the range of 13 to 19। I have already explained you that teenage is the age that falls from 13 to 19 for the boys, whereas for girls it's 12 to 18। Attic means the part of a building, especially of a house, directly under a roof। एक रूफ के नीचे एक आप उसका पार्ट कह सकते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं एटिक। एटिक मीन्स एक शेल्फ काइंड ऑफ। फेवरेट इज मच लव, जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है। Cute means pretty attractive, जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा प्यारा लगता हो. Grab means took hold of, ऐसे पकड़ लेना उसको. And thrill means pleased and excited, बहुत ही ज्यादा excited होना. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll do the oral exercises where we'll be learning how to pronounce each word correctly. So the first word is favorite, second is interested, then the next one is university, and the next one is decided. The further is neighbors, then grabbed, and then awaited, and the last one is possibly. Moving on to the correct answer, it was Johnny's 6th birthday party, right? At night, the teddy bear go to sleep next to Johnny. Of course, it's true. When Johnny he became a teenage, he was interested in what? He was interested in video games. And how was the teddy bear? When Johnny get a job in the city, he was very sad, right? And most of the time, Johnny was with his old neighbors and friends. It's true. Moving on to the fill in the blanks, little Johnny carried the toy, that is the teddy bear, with him. And it was his favorite teddy bear. His parents give him a soft brown teddy. आप toy लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Johnny completed his dash and then Johnny completed his what? He completed his schooling and he just went to the university to a big city. In the course of time, Johnny got married to a beautiful girl. And the teddy was very happy. That is teddy bear. Moving on to the true and false. Parents give Johnny a Barbie doll. Of course, it's false. Johnny always had his teddy bear with him. It's true. Mom kept all the toys in a box. All the Johnny's toys in a box. It was true. But his teddy bear was kept all alone in a shelf. Johnny was married to an ugly girl. No, he was married to a beautiful girl. At night, the teddy bear got to sleep next to the baby boy. It's true. And the baby boy was happy to see that teddy bear. It's again true. Now, moving on to the match the following question. So, it was the little boy, right? 6th तो हमारा birthday हो गया, उसका birthday party. Teddy bear, right? And teenage is Johnny. And old the friends. Moving on to the answer the following question. You all will be doing all these question answers in your notebook by your own. And I hope you all like this cutest chapter, that is teddy bear, in which Johnny used to play with his teddy bear all the time. But it also, there is a one saying that as age changes happen, so similarly as Johnny was becoming a teenage, so he was more interested into video games, playing with his friends, with his neighbors and family, and he used that teddy bear for his little baby boy who was very happy to see this teddy bear. And I hope you must all have a very cute teddies at your places, soft toys at your places, and please keep studying and stay hydrated.